Hi everyone, today we are going to walk through how to create scroll stopping ads using Focusi.ai. First, open the app and navigate the image creation tool. Start by entering your theme or concept. For example, I wrote real estate, millionaire real estate agent. You can choose various creative styles, backgrounds. You can customize your background colors, adjust the aspect ratio to fit specific platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Make your ads tailored to your needs. For Facebook or other platforms, these adjustments ensure your content is optimized for visibility. In the advanced settings, you have more control over your design. Specify target audience, whether it's everyone or a specific niche like real estate agents. Experiment with styles. These options allow you to align your visuals with your brand tone. You also have the ability to input preferred colors, leaving some fields empty if you want the AI choose optimal settings automatically. Once you finalize your preferences, simply hit the Create Images button. And in approximately 1 minute, Focusi will generate high quality visual ready for your social media, website or marketing funnels. Let us see what we're gonna have here. Boom! That's how easy it is to create stunning visuals that stop the scrolling ad capture audience attention. Let's get started.